Max Score Credit. Maximize your score, maximize your life.
Yeah. Hi, my name is Lamont Taylor. I sought help with my credit score from Max Score Credit. I had like 55 negative credit scores, bad marks. Out of that 55, I have to admit, 26 were erased in my favor. Max Score surprised me. They did a heck of a job getting rid of those. One thing I really liked was the conference that they have with you. They bring you in and confer with you, or they make it convenient for you on the telephone, and they keep you abreast of what's happening with the updated emails that they send you. You always know what's going on. They're very good with that. They're excellent with it. They also improved my credit score very favorably. I started somewhere at a 525, which is crazy, and now I'm at a 640. And this was just the first go round. So I'm really happy. You know, it drastically raised my negativity to really good positivity. And I have all the praise and respect for them. They're good guys. They're good at what they do. The gentleman that's been helping me, Mike Silverman, everything that he promised me, he's really delivered on. And I'm just amazed. I'm really happy.